Constant Contact or Moosend, both huge in email marketing. Both promising big results, but which one really delivers? On the left, Constant Contact, the all-in-one veteran trusted by small businesses for years. And on the right, Moosend, the affordable powerhouse bringing advanced automation to the table. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll see exactly which platform comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. Okay, before we jump in, let's look at what categories we're comparing today. We've got pricing, automation and personalization, reporting and analytics, templates and design, integrations and extra features, and of course, support and ease of use. That's pretty much everything that matters when picking your next digital marketing tool. All right, let's kick things off with pricing. So, Constant Contact, here's the deal. You get access to their full feature set when you pay, and there's really good value if you use all their event tools and add-ons, but no free plan. So yeah, you have to commit up front. And as your contact list grows, the bill grows with it, which can sting. Now, Moosend? This one's way friendlier to your wallet. You actually get a free plan for up to 1,000 subscribers. How cool is that? And even when you outgrow the free tier, their pricing stays super transparent and way cheaper compared to CC. Only thing is, some advanced integrations could need paid add-ons, but generally, way less to worry about. Winner here? Honestly, it's gotta be Moosend. Next up, automation and personalization. So with Constant Contact, you do get the basics, drip campaigns, list segmentation, the usual suspects. But the advanced automation options, yeah, they're just not as flexible or powerful. Moosend, though, this is where they flex. You get this super cool automation designer, AI-powered subject lines. I mean, who doesn't want their subject lines to be smarter? And really deep segmentation. Like, you can target by behavior, purchases, email activity, you name it. And if you don't want to build from scratch, they've got a whole pre-built workflow library. The catch? There's a bit of a learning curve if you're new to this, but honestly, the power you get is wild. So Moosend takes this one too. Reporting and analytics. Let's see who gives you the hottest campaign intel. With Constant Contact, the dashboard is super user-friendly. You get all the basics. Opens, bounces, unsubscribes, and you can easily export stuff for your own analysis. But here's the thing, Moosend packs way more heat. We're talking real-time reporting, advanced engagement tracking, live conversions, and even e-commerce analytics if you sell stuff online. It can be almost too much for newbies, but if you want to nerd out with numbers, you'll appreciate it. Moosend edges ahead again here. Oh, and here's something cool you should know. Moosend gives you a totally free plan for automating emails up to 1,000 contacts. Seriously, that's crazy good for startups or anyone just testing the waters. Why pay when you don't have to, right? Moving on to templates and design. So Constant Contact has this pretty big template library and a drag and drop editor that's solid, but let's be real, some of the templates do look a bit old school. With Moosend, the templates are way more modern and always mobile-friendly, which is huge for 2025. Plus, if you like to tinker, you can whip up your own HTML emails or build landing pages. Only downside? They don't have quite as many pre-built templates as CC, but everything feels fresh. Honestly, it's tough to pick a clear winner. I'd say this one's a tie because it really depends if you want quantity or that modern look. Now, integrations and extra features. Constant Contact is basically the king here. CRM hooks, tons of e-commerce connections, event management, even surveys and social media scheduling. Super handy if you want one app to rule them all. Some integrations do cost extra, but seriously, the toolbox is huge. Moosend does bring some nice e-commerce tools, product recommendations, and API access if you're techie, but there's fewer third-party connections, and you don't get those event or survey features built in. No contest, Constant Contact wins this round. Last but definitely not least, support and ease of use. Constant Contact, this is their sweet spot. You get live phone support, one-on-one onboarding, legit marketing advice, and their docs cover pretty much everything. The interface, it's a little dated, but having real humans to help, lifesaver for many. Moosend, on the other hand, has a much more modern, clean interface. The help docs are great, onboarding is quick, and their email support is speedy, but no phone support. You're mostly on your own, which could be a deal breaker for some of you. So if you like hand-holding or just get stuck easily, Constant Contact is the champ here. All right, so if you're visual like me, picture this. Moosend just kind of dominates in pricing, automation, and reporting. It's up there. Constant Contact, though, flexes hard on integrations and support. Templates and design are dead even. Overall, both have strengths, and you really need to match those with what you want for your business. So here's where I land after digging in. If you value constant support and need lots of built-in features like event and contact management, Constant Contact's your guy. It's just solid and reliable, especially if you're a small business or nonprofit that wants everything in one place. But Moosend? If you want best-in-class automation on a budget and you love nerdy personalization stuff, this is honestly a total steal. For most growing businesses in 2025, Moosend just makes sense.
Which platform fits your business? Try Moosend for free or book a Constant Contact demo.
Your email marketing glow-up